When we think of quantum, we think of the smallest unit of something. So quantum biology is biology on the very tiniest level.
We're pursuing, a new area that is, highly speculative, but could really change the way that we think about our world.
In practice, what that means is it's a field of science that's come out because people notice that there's certain things that happen in biology that people were surprised actually seem to rely on the weirdness of quantum mechanics.
Science is definitely changing, and I think it's slowly been changing, but now it's even more prominently changing.
For us, for our specific project, quantum biology looks at quantum effects on biochemical mechanisms and biological function. Specifically, we're looking at those events that happen at the molecular level that can only be explained by quantum mechanics. There's very few specific examples of quantum biology that we know, but the field focuses or goes around into two main areas, which is, they are photosynthesis and magnetoreception.
The canonical example that we use when we describe quantum biology would be to think about the way that birds migrate.
If you want to understand how a bird is navigating in a magnetic field, you need somebody who understands the biology of, at a big scale, the bird's brain. On a slightly smaller scale, like the parts of the brain that might be responsible for the navigation. Then again, smaller biochemists who understand, there's these actual proteins where that chemistry is happening that's sensitive to the magnetic fields. We're actually looking at two different proteins, one from a plant, and this plant actually, you can show experimentally, grows its root systems in a way that's sensitive to magnetic field. The other protein is actually in humans. It's a protein that's in our mitochondria, and that one, as far as we know, does not have any function that's sensitive to magnetic field. But it turns out it's got similar molecules embedded in it, and the structure around those molecules is very similar to the ones that we see in birds and plants that's magnetically sensitive. So if you look at that and kind of think, what if we could actually modify that protein to mimic the ones that we see that are magnetically sensitive?
We really want to harness this quantum sensor and really take it apart, understand how it works, and leverage this knowledge to use it to other applications, not just in magnetometry for biologicals inspired, magnetometers, but also to enhance, biological production, energy production in the cells, or enhance human performance.